Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty. Today we are diving into a super handy and value-friendly tutorial on Bose QC35 ear cushion replacement. If you have been rocking your Bose headphones for a while, you might have noticed the ear cushions starting to wear out. But don't fret, we have got the perfect fix that won't break your bank. We have got our Bose QC35 here, and these cushions have seen better days. Completely worn out and definitely due for a replacement. But worry not, for just 499 rupees we have snagged a pair that just like the original ones. And yes, that includes a replacement filter for both cushions. Replacing these cushions is a breeze. Simply apply a bit of pressure at the corners and voila, they pop right off. No fuss, no muss. And hey, while you are at it, check those filters. Ours are still in tip-top shape, so we'll stick with them for now. Before we pop on the new cushions, take note of the soft frame. These babies attach with hooks, not glue, making our job a clinch. Just align the frame with the headset, gently press at the hook until you hear that satisfying tick sound. And you are golden. If your filters are looking a bit worse for wear, just plug them off. They are attached with simple glue stickers and will come off with ease. Then stick on the new filters and you're all set. Here's a quick look at our old and new cushions side by side. It's like giving your beloved Bose QC35 a facelift. And just like that, with a few simple steps, your Bose QC35 is refreshed, revived and ready to deliver that unparalleled audio experience once again. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and share it with your fellow sound enthusiasts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below and let us know if you have any tips or tricks for maintaining your audio gear. Until next time, keep those beats rolling and remember, great sound starts with great care.